Hey, what's up ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Car Trend, your ultimate pit stop for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the legend, the beast, the icon, yes, the 2026 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. It's back, it's bold, and it's burning rubber like never before. If you're a muscle car lover, you're going to want to buckle up because Pontiac just lit the fire again, and this time, it's hotter than ever. The 2026 Firebird Trans Am is a perfect fusion of classic American muscle and futuristic engineering. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the aggressive stance, signature hood scoop, and throwback styling scream vintage Trans Am, but then you notice the LED lighting, aerodynamic lines, and modern tech touches that bring it into a whole new era. This isn't just a tribute, it's a rebirth. Under the hood, Pontiac's engineers have unleashed a monstrous 6.2-liter supercharged V8, producing over 700 horsepower. That's right, this modern Firebird roars to life with a sound that'll send shivers down any gearhead's spine. The acceleration is pure adrenaline, and the response is tight, immediate, and downright thrilling. Whether you're cruising the boulevard or tearing down the drag strip, the 2026 Trans Am is ready to dominate. Inside, the cabin blends retro inspiration with modern comfort. You've got premium leather seats with Firebird stitching, digital cockpit displays, and an infotainment system that puts control right at your fingertips. There's even a retro-inspired, screaming chicken, animation on startup. How cool is that? And let's not forget the T-top option that brings back the classic vibe with a fresh modern twist. Performance aside, this car is a conversation starter. Wherever you go, people turn their heads. Whether it's older muscle car fans reliving the glory days or younger enthusiasts getting a taste of true American muscle, the 2026 Firebird captures attention and hearts. Pontiac has even hinted at limited production runs, making this not just a powerful ride, but a collectible gem. One of the best parts, Pontiac's focus on driver customization. Whether you want a sleek blacked-out street edition, a high-performance track model, or a classic color combo that screams 70s nostalgia, there's a Firebird Trans Am package to match your personality. This isn't just a car, it's a lifestyle. And let's talk about the tech. You've got launch control, adaptive suspension, advanced stability systems, and even a mode selector that lets you dial in your drive, from relaxed cruise to full-blown race mode. It's the perfect marriage of old-school spirit and next-gen engineering. Plus, the new Firebird is surprisingly efficient given its power, thanks to a modern 10-speed automatic transmission and smart fuel management system. In a time when most brands are going electric, Pontiac's Firebird Trans Am 2026 is a bold reminder that raw V8 muscle still has a place on the road, and in our hearts. It's not just a car, it's a movement. And if you love power, style, and history reborn, this might just be your dream ride. So car lovers, what do you think about the return of the Pontiac Firebird? Does it live up to the legend? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and tell us which color you'd pick for your Trans Am.